Christians in Congo have again been left reeling after a heinous act of violence that has left 70 Christians dead. Please pray for our Christian brothers and sisters in the country as they face escalating persecution. Rising violence has meant Congo has risen 6 places in the latest World Watch list. 70 Christians have been found beheaded in a church in the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, in what's the latest devastating attack on believers in the northeast of the country. According to field sources, at around 4 a.m. last Thursday, the 13th of February, suspected militants from the Allied Democratic Forces, ADF, a group with ties to so-called Islamic State, approached homes in Maiba in the territory of Lubao, saying, get out and don't make any noise." 20 Christian men and women came out and were captured. Shaken by this incident, people from the local community in Maiba later gathered to work out how to release those held captive. However, ADF militants surrounded the village and captured a further 50 believers. All 70 of those kidnapped were taken to a Protestant church in Kasanga where they were tragically killed. Muhindo Musunsi, director of the Kombo Primary School, which belongs to the church, says that prior to this incident, churches, schools and health centers had all shut their doors because of the chaotic security situation. "We had to move all activities towards Wunyang," he said. Field sources report that, until yesterday, Tuesday the 18th of February, some families had not been able to bury their dead because of insecurity in the area. Many Christians have now fled the area for their safety. "We don't know what to do or how to pray, we've had enough of massacres," says an elder of the Seeker 20 church. May God's will alone be done. An increased in DRC? Rise in violence and internal displacement. This latest awful incident is a continuation of the escalating threat posed by ADF militants in the country's northeast region. In 2014, the group intensified attacks in Beni territory in North Kivu province, and since then attacks have spread to the territories of Amu and Mambasha in Ituri province, and now it's affecting Lubao. In the last month alone, the group have killed more than 200 people in Baswada chiefdom, according to a local news website. This explains why DRC rose 6 places to number 35 in the latest World Watch list. Last year, 355 were killed for their faith, compared with 261 the previous year, whilst an estimated 10,000 were internally displaced, which is 10 times more than 2023. Houses have been looted and burnt, schools relocated, churches and health facilities closed, and several Christian villages have been abandoned altogether. The recent activity by Muslims groups reportedly supported by Rwanda has added to the vulnerability of Christians. A call to remain in prayer. World Hindus strongly condemns this heinous act of violence against civilians and calls upon civil societies, governments and international organizations to prioritize civilian protection in eastern DRC where armed groups, such as the ADF, are operating, says R.S. Santani, of Sanatan Dharam Raj, social expert who work in sub-Saharan Africa for peaceful Hindus, Christians and other communities. The violence takes place in a context of impunity, where almost no one is held accountable, he continues. This massacre is a clear indicator of widespread human rights violations against civilians and vulnerable communities, often targeting Christians, perpetrated by ADF, a Islamic State affiliate. We further call on the international Christian, Hindu, Buddhist communities to remain in prayer for Christians and vulnerable communities in eastern DRC, adds R.S. Santani. Pray for an end to violence and that government at all levels will diligently, impartially, and transparently address the violence and its effects. Pray for the church in Lambao as she seeks to bring physical and spiritual assistance to the families affected.